Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fossack TV USA. More people have made the perilous journey across the English Channel a day after 27 people drowned in the deadliest crossing on record. A group wearing life jackets were seen huddled together on board a lifeboat near Dover on Thursday morning. Those who drowned on Wednesday included 17 men, 7 women, one of whom was pregnant, and 3 children. France Interior Minister Gerald Darmanin said 5 people have been arrested in connection with the fatal crossing. 2 survivors are currently in a critical condition in a French hospital where they are being treated for severe hypothermia. One of them is Iraqi and the other Somalian, Mr. Darmanin told reporter. It was earlier reported 31 people had died, but the total was revised dawn overnight into Thursday. The alarm was raised on Wednesday after a fishing boat crew spotted several people in the sea off the coast of France. Home Secretary Priti Patel has spoken to her French counterpart and will update MPs in the House of Commons this afternoon. Downing Street said the scenes of people continuing to arrive in boats on England's south coast showed the need to crack down on traffickers. It illustrates that we absolutely need to step up our work with our French counterparts to dismantle this horrific trade which preys on vulnerable people, the Prime Minister's official spokesperson said. Earlier, Immigration Minister Kevin Foster said the UK was determined to smash the evil business model of people traffickers. Mr. Foster said ruthless criminals were sending people into the channel's dangerous water on flimsy boats without proper equipment. Those who organized that boat yesterday would have just viewed these people who passed away as just a profit-making opportunity. Despite yesterday's death in the channel, the crossing have continued this morning. Around 40 migrants have been brought to Dover by the lifeboat charity. It's windy on the water and extremely cold, but the determination to get to the UK remains as strong as ever. The task is now underway to establish the identities of the people who died. That may prove problematic as many migrants take to the water without any paperwork. Another key concern is why their boat sank. Was it overloaded? Was the sea too rough? Or could it have been hit by a passing ship? The French authorities have described the boat as very flimsy. In previous years, crossing train to fell dramatically in autumn. That has not happened this year. That's because the route has become so lucrative for the people smuggler who charge migrants around £3,000 each to get on a boat. Boris Johnson said on Wednesday that while the UK and France had agreed more needed to be done, there had been difficulties persuading the French to do things in a way that we think the situation deserves. The UK Prime Minister said he hoped the French would now find a renewed offer of joint patrols along the French Channel coast acceptable. Mr. Macron had told Mr. Johnson he was expecting the British to cooperate fully and that they abstain from instrumentalizing a tragic situation for political purpose. The UK has pledged to pay France 62.7 million during 2021 to 2022 to help increase police patrols along its coastline, boost aerial surveillance and increase security infrastructure at ports. Mr. Macron said France would not let the channel become a cemetery. Since the start of 2021, he said, 1,552 smugglers had been arrested in northern France and 44 smuggler networks dismantled. Despite this, 47,000 attempted channel crossing to the UK took place this year and 7,800 migrants rescued, Mr. Macron added. It comes as asylum claims made in the UK have risen to the highest level in nearly 20 years, with 37,000 562 applications in the year to September. The Archbishop of Canterbury, Justin Walby, called for a better system based on compassion, justice, and cooperation across frontiers. The Dover Strait is the busiest shipping lane in the world and has claimed many lives of people trying to cross in inflatable dinghies. Record number of migrants are making the crossing from France to the UK, and it is thought at least 10 other people had died in the past few weeks while attempting to cross. The International Organization of Migration said Wednesday disaster was the worst single loss of life in the channel since it began collecting data in 2014. Beyond the report for TV USA.